Hey guys, it's your girl Avelovinit and welcome to another travel vlog. Together with me is Martin and Chito. Yeah. Chito also vlogs. He's local from Dumaguete and he'll be the one to tour us around Siquijor. So let's go. Okay. The fast cat ticket costs 250 pesos per person. That's $5 each. Now there's also an option if you want a cheaper one. It's 150 pesos for the Roro from Dumaguete to Siquijor. The only downside is that it will take you 1.5 hours to get there. So that's why we have Chito right here. Yeah. We have Chito. He was here early this morning, but unfortunately we didn't get to catch the 5 a.m. because there's this senior citizen who booked 40 people. I mean, I respect the senior citizens out there, but 40 people is a little bit too much. What we're taking is the fast grab, which will take us 30 to 40 minutes. So we're gonna rent out a motorbike for 2 days. How much to, kuya?
Ay, bigay lang sa'yo ng 300.
Ayan.
50 pero si Sake, 300.
Ah, thank you. We got a discount. Thanks, Chito.
What's up?
Okay, ready, boys? Alright, we have parked. Arrived here in Little Boracay of Siquijor. You've seen this in the first vlog. Alright, you guys, for our first stop, we are here at PALITON Beach, or the Little Boracay as they say. It's currently a little bit messy. Dark clouds over there. We're just gonna chill here, find a spot. This is what it looks like. There's no entrance fee here. Martin, what are you doing?
Wait, I'm gonna try to, like, you know, make it nice for us. The Filipino way.
Wow, nagwawalis siya, besh. You call that walis?
See? Meaning the beach for you.
Thank you.
Because I like you guys.
Thanks for the effort. Hey.
Meanwhile. What? So earlier on, I was trying to clean the beach with this thing. You just found the plants. For Marve.
So there's one leaning coconut tree by the beach, but before you can take a photo, you have to fall in line just like them. Poor tree, I'm sorry. Alright, you guys, it's already lunchtime and we're already starving. Chito recommended for us to eat here in Baha Bar. Okay, I'm hungry. You hungry?
You hungry? Yeah!
Let's go. second stop, we are here in Balete Tree. There's no entrance fee, but you have to pay 10 pesos per person. It doesn't matter if you're a tourist, a local, you have to pay 10 pesos per person for the environmental fee. It only took us 10 minutes in Balete Tree. I wonder why.
Hey, don't blame me.
For those who doesn't know how to ride a motorbike, you can rent out a tricycle for the whole day. It's 1,200 pesos. It can fit 4 people. There's a multi-cab which you can rent out for 2,000 the whole day. There's no air condition. If you want luxurious traveling, it's 2,500 to rent out a van for the whole day. By the way, there was also a checkpoint this morning, so make sure, especially if you're a foreigner, to wear a helmet. If you're gonna drive a motorbike, you have to have a driver's license. There's a lot of motorbikes parked here. So Martin and Chito had to park all the way there to make sure this won't happen. Imagine if your motorbikes are parked right at the end. How will you be able to get out from there?
Because it's very crowded, so let's go up there.
The entrance fee per person is 30 pesos and 20 pesos if you have a motorbike. You can do it? I don't know. I'm scared for me.
Si Martin sumagot. She has like a karaoke.
This place is definitely fun. It's packed, it's fun.
Yeah, when I was in the water, I can feel that I'm swimming in a lot of, like, in a peat.
And sunscreen and everything. Yeah, so if you want to come here, it's maybe not this place you're going to spend an entire day, but it's definitely worth checking out. Also, the cliff diving spots over there, as you saw earlier, super epic. If you're a big spender, they have hammocks out there. It's too expensive.
Yeah, it's like 200 pesos per person just for like 2-3 minutes of photos. Here's a tip for you guys. If you're gonna visit during summer season, make sure that you don't go on weekends because this is what you're going to experience. Only here in the Philippines, every time I swim, people stare when you're wearing a bikini. I don't understand why am I being stared at. I think it's pretty normal to wear swimwear. This guy is mocking me, as you can see. When I'm vlogging, people are like, what you can see is the first house in Siquijor.
How old is that?
Wow. Look at those trees. So sick. As expected, a lot of trash. I wish I can clean this up, but you know what? I can't do it all alone. I need you guys. Comment below if you guys want us to have a meet and greet cleanup. Comment below and share this to your friends and fam.
Get it, girl. Woo!
Yeah. You know, there's a beautiful spot here. You take beautiful Instagram photos, I don't know, social media photos for the gram. What breaks my heart is seeing a place like this being trashed like this in this place. known for being the Mystic Island here in the Philippines. And the reason behind it is that there are a lot of different kind of doctors. And one of them is the Bolo Bolo, or the cleansing of soul. I'm gonna try this for the first time. It's nice to experience it because, you know, nothing bad will happen if you experience it. And we'll see how it goes. Let's go. Alright, just finished with the session. He said that this practice has been passed from his ancestors, so each generation should learn how to do it. He's been doing it since he's 12 years old and now he's 53. Dinner time by the beach with these two. He's now a licensed teacher. Congrats! And now we're celebrating it. Subscribers from
Manila.
From Manila, hello! And the whole family watches my vlogs. Hi! You're so pretty! Hello! What's the name of Ryan's family? Okay. Hi! Start of the morning and this happened. Our motorbike won't turn on. After a 30-minute motorbike ride, we have finally reached the Cambugahay waterfalls. If you guys haven't seen that vlog yet, I'm gonna put the link below.
How do I pronounce this waterfall?
Cambugahay Falls.
Cambugahay Falls.
Yes. Alright, so this is the start. We have weak knees or legs. I don't suggest for you guys to visit here because expect that there will be a lot of stairs to reach the waterfalls.
Oh,
There's a swing. You can do your back flip there. As you can see, people are starting to pile up. Today's a Sunday, that's why we had to go here earlier. It's open from 7 a.m. until 5 p.m. Hey!
Barbecue, you want to buy?
Oh, we're gonna have ginanggang saging. It's actually my first time to eat this. I usually get the banana cue. This one is different.
oh wow, banana with sugar.
Yeah.
Butter
She
and
coats it
sugar.
with butter and sugar. Ay, tapos na. Dalawa po. 15 pesos.
15
For one
pesos.
stick, yeah.
Very good.
This is yours.
Oh, for me?
Yeah, this is yours.
This entire thing?
Yep.
All right, eating banana with sugar in the Philippines.
Thank you.
Wala ka pong ma'am?
Mmm.
Good?
Mmm.
I like it.
Tara ma'am.
Good. Sarap.
So the upper level of this waterfall looks pretty, I mean, boring if you're a content creator, but what you don't know is that behind that waterfall, there's a secret, super cool cave that you gotta check out. Take a look at this.
Before we head to the Siquijor Pier, we're here at Mar and Peck Souvenirs to buy some souvenirs. What else?
The parents will buy this for babies so that the bad spirits will not come to them. Diba, ate? Bakit nakakahawak ako? Just. So I'm not bad.
That looks nice. It actually fits your shirt for some reason. Yeah.
Pwede na sa gitwan na lang sa inyong pagsakay. Salamat.
The fast craft that we booked has a seat number, so we don't have to fall in line. I think we'll just let them pass by first, just chill, and be the last ones to dock. So that's our boat, and there are different boats coming in and out of Siquijor, this one as well. Thank you so much for watching my Siquijor travel guide. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment below which part of this vlog is your favorite, and subscribe to these two if you haven't done that yet. They make travel vlogs as well, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Bye! Peace!